नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं इंडस फूड एग्जीबिशन में जो कि हो रही है इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ट्रेड प्रमोशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने। वेलकम टू इंडस फूड सर, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस एट इंडस फूड?
Indusfood is good. Buyers, footfall, and everything is good here.
टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर प्रोडक्ट रेंज।
We are Tota brand. We are indulged in manufacturing of food colors, asafoetida, heeng, puja items, holy colors. We are mostly known for the holy colors. The India, they know us for our brand Tota, mostly in holy category. But as of now, we have developed into a multi-category company. We are doing puja items. We have whole range in puja items, and by whole range I mean Oli, Sindoor, Kumkum, Ingur, etc. And we are curating special Diwali kits, puja kits that are suited for the every festival, for any Indian festival. We are doing incense sticks, samrani cups. We are doing rangoli, a floor decoration item that is much needed and much appreciated in India and overseas also. We are manufacturing heeng, asafoetida. Yeah.
Sir, what are the products that are in pipeline?
Many products are in pipeline. We have expanded our portfolio into the food colors also. And in food colors, every day we are trying to improve the qualities and launch new categories and variants. So mostly in the B2B section, we are developing for the food colors, and we are targeting the event industry for the B2C market. So in many event-oriented items like snow spray, party poppers, and their variants, we are developing.